This video show how to use ACDP for VW MQB system 14025A chip model instrument mileage correction. Turn on the power switch on the car and light up the instrument panel. Record the original mileage and then remove the instrument panel. Power on the ACDP. Open ACDP app. Confirm in the upper right corner that the ACDP device has been bound. Click VW. Click VW MQB IMMO. Click Help. Ensure the instrument is of the 5A type. Click MQB RH850R7F701402. Click ICPODO. Select the corresponding interface board based on the type of dashboard, taking interface board R7F701402 as an example. Click Help. Connect the instrument to ACDP according to the help document. Click R7F701402 interface board. Click Auto Mode. Click OK. Click OK. Click Continue. Verify chip information. Click Continue. Decrypting chip. Reading D flash data. Reading P flash data. Reading boot data. Click OK. Save all backup data of the chip. Pay attention to the path to save the file, and the file name includes the date and time. Click OK. Verify instrument information. Click Continue. Click on the mileage to modify the target mileage. Click OK. Click OK. Save the revised mileage data. Click OK. Click OK to write data. Writing D flash data. Writing P flash data. Mileage calibration completed. Click OK. Click OK. Install the instrument panel into the car. Turn on the instrument panel. Check if the mileage displayed on the instrument panel is normal. Thank you for watching.